Hi everyone, I'm Katie Wang. I'm from China, but I'm currently studying abroad at New York in a private girls' school called Emma Willard's. A very big hobby of mine is art. I've been doing art for 12, 13 years or so, and I've been always been painting oil painting, classic oil painting, and also tempera. And just in recent years, I kind of discovered another very big theme, very big hobby in my life, which is gender studies. My research project basically incorporates feminism and art as the two biggest theme. And my research question explores how feminist artists navigates through the complexities of the very specific case, the very specific society in China to express and advocate for feminism. Level-wise, it's definitely higher than all of my high school classes because I feel like this is the class that requires more reading, and by reading, it's more of like a scholarly reading. It's scholarly articles and it's papers. It's definitely harder, but it's more interesting to me because this is what I chose to learn. This is not like what the high school required me to take. Instead, this is like what I intentionally want to learn more, to discover more about. So I feel like the process has been very enjoyable for me. It was great working with my professor. She's really helpful and professional. I do believe that she's a pro in her field, and she provided me with so many useful materials, guidances, and just simple advices. And chatting with her is really enjoyable too because apparently she's really attractive with all her knowledge, with all her experiences. And I do feel like she's like this teacher and mother figure for me in this road of discovering more about the topic that I'm interested. I would say a lot, like big and small ones, a lot, because this is actually the first time for me to write a research paper. Like unlike the ones we wrote in schools, I think the biggest challenge for me is to concrete myself into a very solid research question. There are thousands, hundreds of subtopics in this field, and then we discovered through so many topics. For example, we read articles about abortion, about gendered gazes, about female subjectivity, and also about reproductive justice. But then later on, because I feel like it's too much for me, and then we kind of explored some of these topics in specific, and then we settled down one-to-one and we zoomed in on the topics that I'm interested in. And then at last, after a very, really, really long journey, we kind of concreted on this feminism art. Yeah, definitely. I actually involved in a lot, which makes my Eureka program like a bit longer than I expected, because during this summer, I also produced a documentary, a short ethnographic documentary that explores about the indigenous ethnic group in Yunnan. And I kind of explored the feminine space in this walk group, and also produced a short documentary on top of this. And then besides this, I also get to work with the children in the walk group, and then I taught them how to paint cliff paintings, which is one of the big things in their walk culture. And besides this, I also got to do my portfolio.